On extraordinary performance by Uganda Clays in 2020, thanks to the high demand for roofing and flooring tiles during the year.
We resolved to continue with production activities with reduced staff who have residing in the factory for several weeks. Our main focus was maintaining production to build inventory and employee safety. Although production was ongoing, there were no sales in the months of April and May. Sales would later pick up after the lockdown was eased. The decision to continue with production during the lockdown and accumulate products turned out to be a very prudent one. With regard to performance overview, despite the strong headwinds that it unleashed, the year 2020 was also remarkable in another way because of the unprecedented results that the company registered. The company made a profit after tax of Uganda shillings 4.87 billion. This was an incredible jump from a loss position of Uganda shillings 88 million in the previous year.
Despite a stellar performance, the business did not go unscathed by the impact of COVID-19. According to the company's managing director, Ruben Tumwebaze Biaruhanga, the pandemic had a slight touch on revenues.
The year 2020 was a second year of implementation of the company's 5-year strategic plan for the period 2019-2023, and execution of the 2020 initiatives was, however, negatively impacted by the COVID-19. But we grew. For instance, our total assets grew by 11%, closing the year at 68.8. The total revenue, though reduced from 30.7 to 29.7, we had a lot of growth in our profits.
As the country battles the second wave and resultant restrictions on key sectors of the economy, business captains are continuously looking to risk-free, short-term financial instruments.
Total asset growth was mainly attributed to investment in property, plant and equipment, purchase of treasury bills as a result of investing idle cash to be able to gain a good return. Our cash position for the period closed at close to 18 billion, and this also includes treasury bills. The dividend payout ratio was 25% of net profit. This has been less than the previous years.
Uganda Clays is listed on the Uganda Securities Exchange, and directors hope to steer the tiles maker to 72 billion shillings mark by 2023.